Hello friends, myself is Mahendra Suthar. Today I would like to discuss regarding concept of 5S and housekeeping. We all are knowing that during the practical training our trainees are working in workshop. There may be an automobile or it may be an engineering workshop. Machineries are installed there. Those are having the rotating parts. Many things are located in the workshop which can injure to a person. So, for creating a good environment, safe environment, few steps are required to be taken as a safety measures. And the Japanese concept of 5S, it is helpful to us for creating a protecting environment. 5S means whatever hand tools and equipments we are using, those should be short, set, sign, standardize and sustain. Set means whatever tools are required in the manufacturing process or work on the machine should be separated. Which are needy to us, it should be kept aside, and which are not needy, it should be kept away from our workplace. Another thing, whatever tools we have separated should be placed in a proper manner. There should be a fixed place in box or the rack from which we can easily access it during the process of working. Third thing, we have to keep those equipments very clean and show as good as new periodically, and daily we have to clean the same instruments. Fourth word is standardized. Those are required to be arranged in a sequential manner. So, if you will blindly pick up any spanners or any tools, you can judge easily from which place you can take it. So, it should be standardized. And lastly, sustain. Whatever habits you are creating, it should be sustainable. Daily, this process is required to be followed. You might be knowing, in spite of our best efforts, sometimes accidents may occur in workshop. So, workplace should be neat and clean. It should be safe. So, the student working in that environment feel good to work in that environment. He should feel safe to work in the workshop. So, for the supporting, housekeeping is very important thing. First of all, the primary thing is cleanliness of the workplace each and every day. Not the every day, but 2 times in a day, the workplace should be cleaned. Same day, the shop floor should be free of water, oil, grease, kerosene, etc. So sweeper must be deployed to clean the shop floor. So the person who is working with the machineries or in any process, if he is concentrated in another works, he cannot draw attention on shop floor and there may be a chances of sleeping. So it should be maintained daily. Same way, the machinery layout should be ideal, sufficient space between two machines or two equipments should be there, so movement can be easily done for the person and for the material. There should be a gangway, so minimum width is required to maintain for the easily movement of the material or any other equipments required to assist in the process. Material which we are carrying from the stores also should be kept in a safe manner. We should take a special attention for inflammable and injurious material, so dangerous items can be kept aside or stored in such a way that it cannot be harmful to anybody. At the same way, ventilation and the lighting is also important in the workplace. There should not be a too much brightness, there should not be a too dull light for the workplace which we are working. So, neat and cleanness, proper illumination is a primary requirement to do the work. If you will see the automobile workshop where cars are servicing, you will observe that everything will be set up in such a way that it looks lucrative. It will be very clean when we are creating a habit to do it the daily. Same thing is important, fire extinguishers and the first aid box. In the workshop there should be a fire extinguisher, and students should aware to utilize it whenever there is an incident becomes for a fire. Same way, the primary treatment is required in case of injury. So, all the fundamentally required medicines should be kept in a first aid box, and it should be placed in a easily accessible destinations, and use of each and every medicine should be known by the students. Same way, the management of scrap is also important. Whatever scrap is there should be collected and disposed of in a proper manner for the safety of persons. One should remember that accidents should not occur due to the personal ignorance or carelessness. There is a possibility of accident due to human being for loose clothing, poor attention to work, not maintaining the discipline, not obeying the rules regulation laid down by the management. So, there should not be artificially creation of accidents. We should minimize the possibility of accidents. Rotating parts of the machine can also damage the person. So, proper personal protective equipments, glass, gloves, shoes, proper clothings are required, helmets are required for proper protection of a person. So, knowledge of safety should be imparted to each candidate, how to protect himself during the working process and maintain the good environment of the workshop. So, this is a primary requirement for the skilled manpower, skilled person. There should be a difference between unskilled and skilled. Skilled craftsmen should know all the things required to be maintained. So, you prepared likewise. Students should be aware of all these things. Time management and punctuality is important. Such a safety is also primarily important during the work. So, please follow the rules and regulations of safety and try to minimize the accident. I hope this information will be helpful to you. Thank you very much.